It's been a while since I made a video, and I thought, a common video that people seem to like on YouTube is talking about their workshop area. And mine is always evolving and changing. So I thought I would just show you where I'm at with this workshop right at the moment. Uh, First off, with the door here, I thought I'd explain this. I had changed the oil out in the car, and I just had it in a bin before I went to recycle it. And we were hit with a hurricane at the end of 2004, the beginning of 2005, with Hurricane Ivan. And this is where the water level, I can't wash it off, it won't come off the door, but this is where the water level was in this garage. Unbelievable how much water flooded this area. Just mind-boggling. Right here is where I keep my mechanic tools. The outline of this wall here is from Walmart. I got these at an auction. They were scrap value prices. And what they are the end caps of an aisle. And shelving can snap into them, and also a pegboard. I just thought it was interesting use, so I went and grabbed a bunch. And then I built my bench and put the end caps on top. I have my cutoff tools here. I have my tape. I'll just let you kind of get a glance to see what I got and how I got it organized.